I'm excited. I got my new kitchen in. I've been living with a half-done kitchen forever. I used to live with no kitchen, but now that I have a cooking show, I need a kitchen. The guys at Cowdrey Granite are awesome. Look at the beautiful job they did. And the guy's an artist where he selected the nicer looking sections of the slab for the backsplash where you see it. And over here by the oven, kind of where there's a little action going on. This is a Hawaiian mist granite that I picked out. And it's kind of overwhelming when you go look. There's bunches of them. They're different prices, different sizes. So I ended up getting 2 slabs of a kind of a lower range price granite, which I picked out what I thought matched pretty nice. And I bought 2 slabs, one for the counters and one for the backsplash. So instead of buying a real expensive one and just doing this, I opted for the backsplashes. So we got a little video coming up of the whole process. Let's see it from start to finish. This is totally awesome. I usually only use scraps. I tried to use a bunch of scraps that I had, but this guy's a pro and he kind of spanked me and said, no, your days of using scraps have come and gone. Pulls out this laser thing and, you know, taking it from there. So how's your template coming?
It's coming good. We're going to shoot the center of our sink right now, so we've got that in here, and we'll double check a few measurements.
So do you measure the sink and stuff?
We will actually download a DXF file for that sink and we can program it.
Of course they download files. This is all new technology. This is the latest and the greatest. I have this thing laying around in the garage. I didn't know how to use it, but he figured it right out. So we're good, and we're gonna go with what? Kind of a whitish color?
Yeah, we're still trying to decide on what color, but probably lighten it up, make it a little more modern looking.
So tell me about your shop. We're gonna come over and make a little movie of how you're gonna do this granite. Where are you guys at?
We're in Hiwassee, Arkansas.
That's Hiwassee, Arkansas, local.
On Forest Hills Boulevard, Highway 279.
Okay. How long have you been there?
About 2 years we built this
So
shop.
you know what you're doing and stuff?
Yeah, we've been doing granite for 12 years, but at the new shop we built it 2 years ago. And
cool. All right.
We bought us a new saw not too long ago. I'm pretty excited about that.
So you just program all this stuff into the saw, slide the slab in there, and it comes out?
It comes out cut. Then we got to put all the edges on it and do all the edge polishing and put seams where they need to go. And
so what do you do with the seams? You put any kind of filler in the seams?
Epoxy. Epoxy that holds everything together. Yeah.
This is all for the cooking show. We got to have the kitchen all, you know, latest and the greatest, and I'll be cooking probably some moose stew. I heard that's Sarah Palin's favorite dish. So I got to give it a shot. We got to find some moose. You know where you can find some good dead moose? Kill around here. All right.
My dad's in Idaho. We might be able to actually find that.
Hey, nice. All right, good. So what do we got going on here?
We're making a digital template for our new countertops.
So a digital template, I've never heard of that. So what is a digital template?
Well, being that we have a CNC saw, we need to be able to put a digital file into it to be able to cut out our shapes of our countertops.
So this is an unusual bunch of angles here, and we've got this. That's the thing right there that you're talking about?
Yep, that's Laser Solutions' newest laser.
So you take this template that you're working on now and you put it into the computer with a saw and it just cuts it out?
Yeah, it cuts it out, yep. You gotta nest all your pieces where you want them to go, but then it hit go and stand back and admire the awesome saw, how it works.
Wow, so you just stick the slab up on there and it goes?
Yep, it's got a big tilting hydraulic table. You pick it up and set it on there and take a picture of it and it goes to work.
So that's our template there. So you've been pushing all these buttons, working this magic. So now you take that template, plug it into the saw?
We plug it into the saw, put our slab on the table, move it around just how you want it, and hit go and stand back and watch it cut out.
That's magic. I like it. So what's our time frame here?
Well, from when the time you say you like your slab, you like everything, generally 2 to 3 weeks, and we'll be installing your new countertops.
All right, so we got a little before and after here.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, sounds good. I'm here to pick out a couple slabs of granite for my kitchen. This is where they got it all going on. Oh, here. So, hey. I'm ready to go pick out some slabs of granite. Can you show me around and show me how this whole deal works?
Yeah, of course. Let's go.
What do you got back there? So how are these guys at Cowdrey Granite? Are they going to do a good job for me?
Oh yeah, they're the best ones actually.
They are?
Yeah.
And how do you know that?
I follow them everywhere on Facebook. They have a website too, and just everybody that comes in has had really great reviews.
You know, he showed up with this laser thing and made some measurements and blew my mind.
Yeah, exactly.
So here's all our slabs back here. What do you got? Show me how it works.
So basically all of this is going to be most of our granite here.
What do people like these days? What's their favorite?
A lot of people are looking for those whites and grays, but they have a tough time finding finding that in a granite. But honestly, I think that granite has a lot of character in it, so it's just a little unique, something different.
All right.
I think it's great.
So how do the prices work?
Everything goes
Look
to the
at
actual
this.
fabric.
Hey, you finding some granite?
Yeah, I got you some granite. Definitely do.
All
This
right.
is our manager here.
Okay. Well, I picked out some nice slabs. Looks like you got a good selection.
Yeah, well, thank you.
I live just around the corner from the guys at Cowdrey Granite, and they seem pretty cool.
Who's that?
Cowdrey.
Oh, Calgary. Oh, yeah, they
Cowdrey.
are cool. Yeah. Very good
So, let's go look at the one I like.
Okay.
Tell me what you think.
It's
right.
actually through here.
All right. So these are all pretty neat. Some of these are more high-end though. I'm looking kind of to get...
Yeah. And usually the high to mid basically ranges on, how much they find of that particular rock. Blues and greens are hard to find, so.
So tell me about this one. I
Um,
like it.
Yeah, this one's
This
really
is Cream of Valencia. It's been a real good seller.
This is a good
Yes.
seller, so
Yes.
I good move picking that
Yes.
one.
Yes, I think so.
All
Been
right.
a good mover.
So I decided to get two and maybe do the backsplashes as well, rather than get a higher end one.
To do the backsplash with that? Yes,
Yeah.
that worked good.
And he said that you're going to hook me up with a super price.
Oh,
Because
yeah, we
I
always
know.
do that. All the Calgary customers we do. So
Nice. All right.
that's no problem. No problem.
So what is this? This is a Value Plus they
Yes,
call
Corona
it?
Value Plus is a very good price range, and we have a lot of different colors in that.
That's the bang for the buck. That's what I'm
Bang
looking
for the
for.
bucks. That's,
Man, they got so much stuff here. Where do you guys get all this stuff from?
most of the majority of it comes from Brazil.
From Brazil?
This is a quartzite, which we call sea pearl.
Wow. So what's the big deal about quartzite?
It's supposed to be a little bit harder than quartz, than granite.
I'm thinking the way the colors are and everything too, and the lines and everything.
It's actually formed from sand that's over millions of years, as opposed to other types of material that the granite is made out of. This is formed from sand.
So what are they, just cutting up a mountain and slicing it up?
Yes. Cut it out of the mountain.
That's cool.
oyster pearl.
Oh, that's marble. So marble's kind of soft, right?
It is.
Yes, we have different hardnesses of marble. Some of them are a little bit harder than others, but still we have people put it in kitchens, but we don't recommend it.
Too much wear and tear in
It
the
scratches
kitchen?
easier, and you know, vinegar and stuff will let you.
Oh yeah, vinegar will just cut right into it.
Right.
What will it do to granite?
Nothing.
Nothing. All right. We got a few marbles here, but we got to stay away from marble. It's too much. All right, you got to go take care of some other customers.
Yeah,
I'm toast. I got mine
ladies.
picked out.
I got 2 ladies that I was helping.
All right. All right, so I picked out a couple slabs. You think you have some here?
I think so. Let's go check
They
it
look
out.
pretty good. All right. So they said you guys are the best, so that's good.
Awesome.
All right. So these are the same colors right here?
They are. We just have a little bit different sizes and came from a different bundle, but from your picture, I think they look fairly similar.
What do you think? Just take these because they're here now, or what?
I mean, that's the easiest option.
Okay.
Going with the cream of Valencia that we have here in stock.
All right.
So this product that we're looking at today is Hawaiian Falls, and I think it will look nice with your cabinets, and it'll be a nice subtle look to finish out your kitchen countertops and backsplash.
All right, and that's a popular color?
It is a popular color.
All right, it's not too crazy.
Yeah. A nice subtle finish to your kitchen.
Wow, well, I got my granite all picked out. You guys are busy working. Yo!
Back to Hollywood.
Back to Hollywood. Hey, I got my granite all picked out. You're right, those people at Verona are good.
Is it nice?
They hooked me
Took
right
good
up.
care of you?
Yeah. So, did we figure out the backsplash that's on the other side of the island?
Well, I started drawing it out, and what color did we end up going with the stuff that we have out here?
Yeah, the Hawaiian mist or
I
something.
think I can get countertops and backsplash. There'll probably just have to be a seam like right behind the hood.
Perfect.
So I think it's gonna work out good.
I think so. So what are you doing today out here?
Trying to get a job finished up. We just cut out this vanity with the sink in it out of some quartz there.
Oh, wow.
With the new Saber 5-axis CNC saw right there.
What is that again?
It's the Saber 5-axis CNC saw.
Is that the thing that gets plugged into that thing you're doing?
You program it in, like you can look on there, that's that vanity that we just cut out.
Wow, this is the kind of stuff I do all the time when I'm not busy, right? Well, that works.
This is the new modern one. This is the old-fashioned one over here.
Hey, they said you're kind of the man when it comes to this stuff at Verona.
I'm working on it.
All right. This is the old school.
Yep.
What do you do with this now?
Just cut.
Straight lines?
Yeah, pretty much. Smaller pieces.
All right. So what do we got going over here? All right. Look at that. Okay.
The scrap piece we just cut and made some other vanities out of.
Yeah. All right. What are they doing? Some edging and stuff over there?
He's cutting out a sink over there. We're going to put some corners on these guys. He's polishing the sink.
That's the polishing. This is the whole process right here. Yeah. A little polishing of it.
Little vanity. We're getting ready to go install this afternoon.
Okay, cool. Alright. Oh, looks like we got some activity here at the granite place.
Get some slabs unloaded.
We got, are all my slabs
Shining
in?
and the wind is not blowing.
Alright, look at that. We're working hard.
Getting some slabs unloaded.
Did mine get all cut yesterday?
One slab. We haven't cut the second.
Nice, so we can see it.
so-
Let me see what they're doing out here. Wow, this is some heavy work. What kind of slabs we got?
That's Taj Mahal. That's a quartzite slab.
Okay. What does that weigh?
Oh, I'd say about 1,200 pounds. Would be a
1,200
good
pounds.
estimate.
Oh, we got you working. How's it going today?
Doing good.
All right, we got some new slabs in today.
We got a whole mess of
Some quality merchandise.
quality merchandise right there. That's the Taj Mahal.
That's it. That's the big money. All right. Whoa. Okay. That's the one you got for me, right?
Probably for your next project.
All
I
right.
think that's what we're putting in your house.
All right. Look at this. I'm here checking out how my progress is on the slabs. They're cutting them. Got merchandise coming and going. You gotta love this place. Oh. We're getting some work done here.
Doing a little edge work on it, doing some polishing.
Yeah.
This is, this is where your range goes. This is where the seam's gonna fall. And then this wraps around to where the wall's at. I've got the other one on the table, just haven't started cutting it yet.
Okay. Can I fire the saw up and do little cuts, or?
Oh,
maybe
not right now. That's not my territory.
Okay. No, I meant me. I want to fire up the saw. I want to do some damage. This is a beautiful slab. Okay.
Hawaiian Falls.
What are all these marks you got? How do you do this?
Well, we just have a pin that we label so we know which edges to polish. So we've got range, wall, the polished end. This is where your seam's gonna fall. And this wraps around over to where your wall's at.
Do I need to be dropping the sink off too, maybe?
Yes, we do need that sink just whenever you get a chance.
All right.
I think that's probably right where the seam fell, is in the sink.
All right.
So basically this section here will get cut out.
Now, do you
This is where the
have a seam there so you can move it because it's so big?
well, because it's so big, because we have to have the hole cut out, and then the slab sizes to get all your pieces out. They just weren't long enough to get that in one piece.
All right. All the granite is... I'm excited. All the granite's showing up. Takes them a couple weeks to get it all measured and cut. And it's happening. Awesome.
Right now we are we gotta cut out some boards to make our sink fit. We need a little bit more room.
All the kitchen's all done. Granite looks awesome.